Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the network path. Check that your Wi-Fi shows at least 2 bars or mobile data is active. Once confirmed, power cycle the router for 30 seconds and reconnect your phone. Make sure you force close the app and clear its cache in settings. This removes stalled sessions and corrupt temporary files. Doing these steps first cuts through common causes quickly, and it often restores gameplay without deeper changes. If connection still drops, keep going to targeted settings next. Once done with the basics, you tackle configuration. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to isolate the problem. Make sure VPNs and proxies are disabled because they add hops and latency. Instead, set DNS to 1. 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8, which often speeds up name resolution. Also update the game and your device OS, and grant required permissions like storage and background data, so the app can maintain persistent connections without being throttled. To finish, reinstall Call of Duty Mobile after backing up any settings or linking your account. A fresh install clears deeper corruption. You should then test with a phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network to see if the problem is your ISP. If issues remain, verify the game server status. Regional outages are common, and gather logs or screenshots. If nothing works, contact support with those details. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different DNS and keep VPNs off during diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.